everyone, it's Jim and Jess, and in this video I'll be reviewing a diamond painting kit from the company Distracted by Diamonds. If you're new to my channel, then welcome, and if you're not, then welcome back. This diamond kit right here is the one I'll be reviewing, and this painting is called Bumblebee, and it has a licensed image created by the artist Jasmine Castillo. This canvas is a size 50 by 65 centimeter and is a full round drill. This kit came with 40 colors, but I think I used about a total of 47 colors. This diamond painting cost $48 on the website, but with shipping and sales tax included, I had to pay a total of $69.70. I ordered this diamond painting on September 1st and received it September 9th, so it was fast shipping, which is good. I started this painting October 1st and finished it October 20th. But unfortunately, I did have some issues with this diamond painting kit. But first let me show you the customizations I did on here. Let me show you the original image first of all. Here, let me grab my logbook here. I have a little sticker picture in it. There it is. Okay, so this is what the original image was supposed to look like. Okay, I hope you guys can like see that okay. So yeah, so there's that. And the customizations I did. Okay, so I did customizations on the flowers. Okay, these ones and the ones up there, and on the little like stars. Oh, and in the middle of the bumblebee where the purple parts are or whatever. Let's see here. So now first I'll show you the drills that I used. I used my own drills from DP with Sparklers. And with the flowers, let's see, the yellow parts, I used these three. Let me grab them. Oh, sorry about the noise in the background if you hear any loud ass truck just started. Okay, so in the yellow parts right here, right, and all the flowers, I used Sparklers for Squares Daffodil from DP with Sparklers. I hope you guys can see that okay. I also used Glow Glass AB pineapple drills from DP with Sparklers. I have like barely any left. And Sparklers for Squares Gold. Okay. Oh, and I used Sparklers for Squares Twilight, but I literally have none left to show you guys. I apologize for that. But I'll put the link down below in the description box so you can check them all out yourself if you would like to. Okay, so those were the gold parts, or yellow parts in the flowers. And now for the pink parts of the flowers, I put Sparklers for Squares, Glow Glass AB Grape, and I don't have any of those left to show you either. I'm sorry for that again. And I also put some of these Sparklers for Squares Tickled Pink. Oh, they're so pretty, you guys. Obsessed. And these watermelon just crystal round drills. Nothing special. But so those were like in the pink parts of the flowers, and then the tickled pink ones I put in here in the middle of the bumblebee and in the stars. Oh, also with the stars I used in the gold stars, not the pink stars, because there's gold stars up here. I used oh, I don't want to hit the phone or camera. So like, see how some are different. The lighter ones are the pineapple Sparklers for Squares, and then the golder ones are the daffodil Sparklers for Squares Daffodil drills. Okay, so there's the customizations I did. Now let's see, am I forgetting anything? I don't think so. Yeah, nope. Okay, so I have done or I started another diamond painting kit a while ago from Distracted by Diamonds. It was a square kit though, and I never had any problems with the drills or nothing of that kit, but this one I did, unfortunately. So let me first show you the first issue I encountered with this kit. It was, okay, so like it's a tiny spot, right? Let me see. Right here, there was missing adhesive, or it wasn't missing, it was like just such a light area to almost none at all adhesive, right? Let me see, where is it? Right here. See how there's like a couple, oh, I don't want to move the camera, sorry. See how there's a couple missing beads right here? I'm like scared to touch it. I have to like seal this for sure. So yeah, that's like, it was like this little area right here where there was not, the glue basically wasn't strong enough to hold the drills, or there was like a couple little spots with none at all, like no adhesive at all. So that was super annoying. And then another thing that I didn't like was I did run out of a color. It was DMC number 939, and that is basically this part, this color of the bee, right? The dark blue. It's like almost black looking. Oh no, yeah. I didn't run out of that color. I'm sorry. I ran out of 820, which is this blue. Gosh, I did have a problem with 939. Sorry, that's why I got confused. So this blue right here, I ran out when I was about only this, like up to here finished. So I just ended up using DMC number 3842, which is like, was kind of the same. I mean, you can't really tell anyway. So I ran out of one color, which sucked. And then with the 939, DMC 939 drills, there was so much trash. I saved a tiny bit for you guys. I mean, there was a lot of trash in the other colors too, but mostly in the 939. Can you guys see the trash drills? Like, that was barely any of it. That's just some I saved. Like, let me see here. Like, there was so much trash. Like, and the beads were all messed up. See, like, the dark blue looking, or almost black looking ones. Yeah, tons of trash in 939, which was this color. So that was annoying too. It was like, seemed like every 3 beads I would have to like, you know, knock off my pen, and because it was like, it was either trash or it was too big, or like those beads that are bigger than the other ones. Like, yeah, it was super annoying. So unfortunately I did have a lot of cons with this diamond painting kit, which I was surprised because with their square kit I got before, like I had no problems. So that kind of sucked. Anything else? I think that was it. So yeah, I ran out of one color, lots of trash drills, and a little bit of missing adhesive on a part of the canvas. So, but other than that, I still think it came out really, really, really beautiful. I mean, I love it. I mean, it felt like it took forever to do, just because, you know, I don't know about you guys, but when I like encounter problems with the diamond painting kit, it seems like it just kind of kills the vibe, you know, but it is what it is. At least it came out beautiful. Thank you guys all for whoever is watching this review. I hope you enjoyed it. Everything will be linked down below if you would like to check out this kit or drills for yourself. And I hope everybody will have a great day or night, whatever time it is, wherever you are watching. And I will see you guys next time. Bye!